You guys are on YouTube
no
right
tango
now.
YouTube?
You banned my account.
Peter, we need you.
What?
Contact.
Yo no hablo inglés.
Yo, up the hill, up the hill.
I have no grip.
Oh, there's people there. We got contact. What the fuck is that noise? What?
Guys, keep riding.
Oh, there's a hunter out here too, isn't there?
Oh yeah.
You want to go up this way?
I'm crossing.
I don't know if we can get across here in all the water.
Try. Watch that top hill. Jump it. Got him right in front of us.
Contact. Alright, they're flanking around our right side. I'm on the farthest hill, all the way to the right. I have not. All right, now I'm hit. Now I'm hit. Now I'm hit. I know.
Right in front of you.
David, you got a positive?
Wait, so see them over there?
All right, let's go.
Dude, that opened a dirty too. Yeah, check this box.
Check it. Oh, hit.
We were flanking that way, and there's these two guys flanking me. Water. Guys, wanna make a push for it?
yeah, let me defog. Yeah, limit that. Oh, God. Where's that coming from?
Right back here, right got me. Got me.
I don't know where they're coming from. I can't tell if that's Nope, it's not. FBI! Hit! Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Hit!
Notice how the drug runners have been on the defensive position every game?
Yeah, I'm going to too.
You notice that?
Yeah.
Everyone from downtown, move up! When we get, guys, once we move up, we're gonna get a raid going, and we're gonna need as much covering fire as we can directed towards, so they keep their heads down.
Yeah.
So once we get up, we can all sprint up there.
Yeah.
Alright, but we need more people.
Guys, come on!
Covering fire! Hit!
I'm back.
We have so much firepower right now, everyone move up. Alright guys, I'm gonna charge.
Everyone charge, Ready?
Go! Move up, everybody! Yo, guys, from the right! Alright, move up!
Sorry.
There's a guy right in that building.
I'm out.
Yo,
I took the guy that was sitting right there.
he's right in that room. I don't care if you waste it. You can just come to like right here. I got you covered. Try to see that door right there.
Try to like bounce off the door.
Did you hit?
Oh, he fell. What the? Am I out?
Everyone move up! Move up! Hit. Hit. I'm hit.
Hit. Again. 3, 4, 5.
Alright, what do you... Alright, we're hit. Oh, yo, call your hit. Behind the stairs. Alright, thank you. You want me to do it? You want to do it? Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. They don't have any BBs. Yeah, you want me to do it? Where's the... Stop fucking shooting because I will kill you! Where's the bomb? There's no bomb here. Yes!